Hey guys, so today we're gonna get something very rare. It has to do with the circuit boards and all that other crap, but I got a sample of them here. We're going to my friend for the last 30 years, I guess. He's been collecting vintage motherboards, trying to figure out how to get the gold out. He wanted to burn them all and then collect the metal, and I guess he never did. But I finally did a trade with him for all these like early 70s boards. And me and Naz are gonna go pick up his stockpile. Now, if you thought my backyard was bad, you'll be impressed by his.
Get ready.
Yeah, well, I mean, I guess Dan's is worse, but we'll see. Oh, shoot. My cardboard bins, I forgot about those when I'm on the highway.
No.
And not that they're going to blow out, it's just, I don't want them to. If anybody ever finds any of these, like, 1970s, 1980s, like early 80s boards, you can tell by how long the gold finger is. Those are worth a lot more than what we just did. Sometimes it all depends on who you deal with.
So those are actually gold?
No, they're everything's gold plated.
Oh, okay.
It's actually where they're worth the most is if you go online and type in vintage boards. It's amazing the prices that they get. Like 10 of these have been going for $100 or so.
Damn.
10 boards. Not that I'm going to get anything like that, and these all have been in the weather for the last 20 years. And there's a lot of junk. Like, he didn't know. Uh-oh, did I lose my bin?
Oh shit, yeah. It's not far. Damn.
It's all Naz's fault.
It is, isn't it?
You put it in the truck.
Did I now?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
It's alright, it was the truck's fault. It drove by me.
Are we going back for it, right?
Yeah, of course. Oh shoot, there's no truck. I guess I need to put up a fence.
That would help hide stuff. Wow.
It's almost like a junkyard. But
It
not
is.
quite.
That's crazy. Yeah, it's like a corner of a junkyard. Bus. Wow. Keeps going.
He's got some stuff. Yeah. He does house cleanouts and stuff, so.
So this is his warehouse with no roof.
He got tarps.
Yeah. Is he gonna come out, or we're just?
I'll be here at 3.
Oh.
Alright, so literally it's been here for over 20 years, but it's all these buckets and it goes all the way back underneath those pipe. And you know, this one that I think was really cool was this guy.
Oh, that's almost like a switchboard.
It goes to, it's like the light to, look, 1975.
Wow, that's neat.
People
That
will
could
know
be-
what that is.
That could be used as refurbished, like steampunk.
Well, this piece, this was like one of the few pieces I didn't want to scrap.
Yeah, I agree with that one. Imagine hooking up the power for those to be able to type in the numbers.
I mean, it's a shame that, but you can see how much nice dirt are on the telecom boards.
Yeah.
But we'll see what happens.
All right.
We're gonna, I mean, you can film. I'm gonna separate for a bit.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
Actually, can you find? There's a brush in the back of my truck.
Yeah. I hear you.
I just wanted to wipe off some of the dirt.
Sweet.
Something different. Let's see. I'll let him. I'm not gonna take everything. Look at all those gold pins, though.
Oh yeah! Wow.
That's gonna have to go into a different bucket just because it's not the same as these cards. Sorry, guys. That was like a quick screwdriver.
I wonder why he didn't cover these up.
Huh? Literally, when I was in high school, I came back here and asked him, what do you save this for? He said, oh, I'm going to get all the gold off of them.
Oh. Wow.
So, and they've been sitting here for the last 20-something years.
Right. Mid-90s.
I don't know about that one, like if they'll take it the same way. So I'm just going to do that with that. Do you want these?
I'd want like one.
Well, you can have.
Can always come in handy, during some art project. Or some weird movie for a panel. Because when you need it, you can never find it, That's why I like working with you.
Well,
it's always neat stuff.
Let's see if this has a date. This looks old as dirt.
Literally.
1983.
Wow. I was 3 years old, fellas. When someone made that. I just dated myself.
So these would be considered like a slot card, but a vintage slot card. These all have the CPUs and fun weird. These are just logic boards, but look how cool that is. Looks like Tron.
Yeah, it does. Ugh.
That's a power board. See, everything's full of them.
Oh,
man,
they're destroying our home.
Well,
ants do love electronics. It's weird. Watch out, that's where their nest is.
I'm not worried about that. I was just trying to figure out what year this was. Pretty old. I know that, like, see, this is before, like, see how they're using resistors in this one?
Mm-hmm.
The whole bottom of that's full of those. TV parts. I'm going to put all the TV parts in. See all the nice red lights?
Mm-hmm. Oh, these are awesome, man. Especially after what we did in your backyard. This is like going back in time.
Honestly, if the stuff in my backyard was like this.
Ooh, what state are those?
What?
The license plate?
Jersey. That is his old one, probably. Or a place that he cleaned out.
Oh yeah, it's like the one you showed.
Well, they're getting cleaner. Bet you could almost, you could sell that one online.
Right?
That one's clean. I bet the bottom of all the buckets are pretty clean. Maybe we'll save a couple of the real clean ones for try them online. I mean, all these are good online. It's just I need cash for. I'm gonna turn them into cash. I traded my wire that was in my backyard from 1 week and a couple $100 for all these awesome boards. That's cool. But literally years and years and years of it's gonna take forever.
Yeah, it is.
I haven't even finished one bucket.
Ooh.
So all these, honestly, you never find this many vintage slot cards though. And look how populated they are. They have a ton of BC IC chips.
Yeah, all that probably fits into like an inch now. Nowadays, I mean.
Well, there is a little bit of modern stuff here, but there isn't very much.
Mm-hmm.
Like, you think about like the video that we did with all the ones from our backyard.
Yeah.
Like there was only a couple chips. That and gold was only what $200-$300 an ounce back then.
Okay.
When all this stuff was being made. I know somebody would want all these gold pins. I know if you pull them out, they're worth money. Like you can pull each one out and then sell them by weight.
How much time do you think it would take though to clear one of those boxes?
That and carpal tunnel, I don't know.
Yeah, exactly.
But I know that they have value.
Oh yeah. I'm saying it's perfect for someone who's retired. They can just sit there, watch TV. Should give this to my dad. Here you go, Dad. Here's a job for you.
Gold! But, I mean, it's not that there's a ton. I mean, there is a bunch, but there's not a ton.
I guess it can add up. Dave working away. It's a little junkyard kitty. Hey, junkyard kitty. Hi. Oh. I hear ya. This is adorable. Alright. So, gonna take you guys on a little tour here. Show you some of his property and stuff he has. It's really cool. I love places like this. Want to see what's in the bus? Not much. Windows are way too dirty. So yeah, this guy's definitely on the next level of scrapper. Some chairs. It's a cool little trailer wagon thing. Nice. Oh, looks like he was separating stuff here with these tables. Whew, something stinky. Wish you guys had smell-o-vision. So, bunch of cabinets, a shed. That's a couple of wheelbarrows. Oh my god. Talk about a ton of trash cans. Jeez. Sweet. Don't smoke in there. Man, this is awesome. It's organized, right? He has a whole bunch of trash cans there, tools and rakes here. Man. All right. I'm gonna ask him about these bikes. He has 2 of them. Alright, let's check up on...
Look at this pile of slot cards I just poured out.
Wow.
All this can get, like that orange bucket can get dumped into that box.
Oh,
Put
okay.
that box on the back of the truck.
Mm-hmm.
So it's like turned sideways, so that's like the tailgate.
Uh-huh.
And then we'll stack buckets on top of everything else.
Roger.
This is a good slot card with that chip. All ceramics. This thing's pretty cool. Look how
huge.
big it is. I think these are, yeah, there's more of these Naz if you want them with all the, that one's pretty cool because you can kind of see the numbers. Imagine that all lit up in red.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Probably connected to some power, it'll still work.
Nah, I doubt it. With how long it's been out here.
Oh yeah, that one's good.
Forgot my drill gun. But I don't know. There's a, like, these right here are newer stuff. Along the fence is older stuff. So I think there's a truckload and a half of older stuff, but we're gonna put hopefully 1,000 pounds on today. If we put on 1,000 pounds, I'll be excited.
Yeah.
I mean, that box holds about 250 pounds is what it was full of motherboards.
Yeah.
So if we get close to that, life will be good.
All right.
Granted, we used to have 2 boxes. I never found that other one.
I wonder what happened to that box.
We turned around, somebody picked it up.
I know. What the hell? Well, they're good boxes, so. Damn it. Thieves.
Awesome. Here, take this apart.
Okay.
Look at all these slot cards. They're all stacked up. Pretty cool. Here it's comp side, blah blah blah. Can't find a date. They got the nice old teeth.
Quite some construction on that, damn.
Here, you can figure out how to take that one apart too.
Alright.
If any of them are real dirty, I'll wipe them off for you.
Gotcha. Alright.
See this guy right here? He's worth money. It's ceramic.
There we go. Getting resourceful. I would say they will be unusable now.
Well, no, they all been in 30 years of weather. It's not like they were stored to be used. These were, once he collected them, he wanted to scrap them. But they're clean enough now to do something with.
What, in here?
No, those are the ones right behind you in that yellow bucket.
All right.
That goes in that bucket. Is it starting to feel like any quantity of that in the other bin?
I mean, we got 2 bucketfuls. It's not crazy, but it will be with 2 more buckets. We'll be halfway there as far as the box goes. Oh, this is all the stuff that you thought was
Yeah, don't screw with that.
haha, don't screw it. Just trying to make some room. There we go.
Here, pull this somewhere so it gets scrapped. Pipe wants to go too. So
Yeah, I
you
can't
pipe
collect
first if
everything.
you want.
Damn you, pipe!
So this is the true moment of truth because I didn't know what was under here.
Uh-oh.
So there could be anything, or it might be, but it's looking good. Some real neat slot cards. Where's my slot card bucket?
Giant heavy fucking pipe! Ah! Filled with water. So much for my nice dry gloves.
Slot card bucket. Do we have one?
Just that.
No, the one
This
that.
guy?
Yeah, that one I need.
Well, hold on. I need to get this out first.
Okay.
Did I cut your leg open?
I don't care, but one of my hands are invincible. The other birds leave.
Can you free that? Right there?
You're trying to turn the oxygen on. Cause spark.
That would be the #1 YouTube video in the world. 2 scrappers dead.
Yeah. I'll go with horribly maimed. I don't understand why he didn't run away. Surrounded by junk. Nowhere to go. Oh, this one's pretty cool, Naz. So these were the ones I've been pulling out to put on eBay, just to see if anybody will buy them for scrap. But here, look, these got whacked. You can see the tiny, tiny little gold bonding wires. Those
Oh,
are
yeah.
22 karat, 24 karat gold.
Wow.
Not that there's a lot of it. It's just
I hear you. It's worth it if it adds up.
I don't know. If you like watching that show Gold Rush and stuff, and you see how much diesel
I
they
know.
waste to find just that little bit of gold. I mean,
Yeah, technically this is
the
much
same
better.
I bet these are good right here. See those gold chips?
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna stick them with my other ones to keep. I think we should keep all the keyboards and maybe sell the letters. What do you think?
It's not like old typewriters. No, that's your call.
All right,
I
whack
would.
this board in half. So
All right.
break it right there.
Let me get my kung fu going.
Well, find it. There's axes all over. Find an axe.
All right. All right. Progress report.
And there's still more. You kind of see how it works its way back there. This board was kind of neat. Was it this one? No, that one's very close. Where was it? It was, yeah, this one. Look at all the ceramics.
Oh yeah.
Got this weird gold chip in here. Maybe I'll save that for online. It's too neat. Too neat not to.
So wait, do they stop at the PVC pipes over there?
Well, go walk around, see.
All right.
Tell me if they go all the way to the end. I forget.
Okay.
I got excited when I just saw the little bit of stuff I saw. So.
Well, it's still enough. Let's see.
Go walk all the way around to the other end there, Dave.
Yeah. No, I think it stops right there. Ah. Yep. Man. Yeah, it's still a lot.
Mm-hmm.
So all the stuff you have here is that you already went through, you don't want that?
Not that I don't want it, it's just not worth anything like the other stuff.
Alright. It's the more valuable stuff first.
Yep.
Gotcha.
And instead of sorting all this in front of my house, I decided to put it back.
Probably a good idea.
But this is good enough to bring home. If anybody ever finds it, you always want to pick this up when you can.
Alright, so I had a comment on YouTube asking Dave about where to sell these if they find these. So Dave's answer is
Oh, what? No, I'll buy them at the flea market if you can't figure out where to sell them at.
yes.
I guess anything with a gold edge like this. I mean, that's not a good example. $3 a pound I pay, and since they give me they're so variable on what they give on motherboards, like $1 a pound. But on this vintage stuff, I'll pay a lot more.
There you go. So yeah, if you can't figure out where to sell it to Dave.
We'll be at the flea market.
That's right. Or wait, the Columbus one and
No, we'll do Columbus right now because that way we can bring the scale.
excellent.
Somebody wants it.
All right. And if you're doing that, definitely let us know before you show up so that we're ready for you. We also accept these as donations. If you have a bunch of computers you don't want, let us know.
I don't know. I don't know if I want everybody's computer.
Well, if you want to strip them and give us the motherboards.
No. I mean, I guess we would take computers. It's just, Yeah, we'll have to. I'll have to think a little bit on that.
That's what I mean. Let us know. Well, you know, I'll let Dave know, and we'll figure it out. Ooh.
Oh, here's a cool board.
Ooh.
Look at those two.
Oh yeah. Oh, let's see that. Very nice. Gold, I told you.
Some type of gold.
Yeah. Nice.
Do you have a second bucket? I'll put right on top. I'll throw.
Yeah, I'm just gonna do your pile here really quick. You can keep putting stuff in there.
Yeah, everything I put under there's.
All right. Yeah, this is Dave's choice pile.
Put online. Time for the eBay scrapper.
It is interesting though that eBay people sell these not in working order.
Keep them just for art and everything else too.
Yeah, that's. I mean, makes sense.
I figure it's all designed.
It is. Nice piece.
All this fun stuff too.
Okay.
Somebody got angry at this one. Like I was at Dan's house. Not that Dan's always angry, but he does like the wax.
Yes.
Good name for Dan would be Hawk.
By the way, both of your stories got a lot of responses. Your toilet paper to corn ratio one.
What did they think?
They just found it hilarious. They were all kind of goofing at it, you know, kind
Hey,
of
it's
continuing
true,
the joke.
Totally true. And never go bad. And you'll have a warm house in winter.
Exactly. Oh. Wait, technically, it's a great idea.
Well, I guess this is a giveaway. If the apocalypse does happen, anybody can come and mention Naz's video at my house, and I'll give them 5 sheets to wipe their ass.
All right. Just make sure you use the code word or something before
No,
you get
Naz's
shot.
Video. Naz's
Oh, okay,
video,
okay.
and then people can wipe. You won't have to have stinky pinkies.
Nice. Keep that in mind, folks, when the zombies come.
Here's one.
Just drop it there. These have copper in them.
They're a little transparent.
Do you want those off?
No.
So just.
I mean, yes. They won't pay me for them. They're only like 12 cents a pound.
Are you gonna save them though?
Not right now. Yeah, I figured. That's not a bad chip. This one's almost worth keeping. Maybe it is. I bet these are good. 7818. Ooh. That's pretty darn cool.
Nice.
Put both of those in the saved bucket.
All right.
Oh man, look at this. People know what these are. I mean, there's a lot more.
Oh yeah.
All 1975.
Can make a time machine with these babies.
I think we're gonna try selling those. They're just too cool not to.
They're really cool.
Here,
Those are-
if you take these boards off of those,
yeah, off of the cool lights. All right.
and look at that. It's an ant house.
Ooh. Fancy.
Well, when you're an ant, that is fancy.
Looks like it's empty though. Oh no, there's like.
That's pretty empty. They're old.
So yeah, I just had a boot full of ants. Fun times. Ouch.
Still finding old stuff that hasn't turned into new, so that's good.
What do you got? 6 more buckets back there?
10.
Oh, great.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 10.
Okay.
The only sad thing is the truck's not full yet.
No.
I mean, we should get a truckload out of it.
It's definitely going to be a truckload.
We'll see how many of it's with cards and without cards, or slot cards, or...
Is anything getting left behind?
I'm gonna leave the junk today, and we'll figure out the other stuff, like the low grade boards.
Okay.
But I don't know. Why don't you bring that over and show them how many slot cards we have so far?
All right. So we got here at about 2:30. It's 5 o'clock now,
Is it 5?
or 4. No, I'm not sure. I need to double check.
I think. Let me check real fast.
Okay.
5. Oh no, my phone's in my.
I forgot what I just said. Oh, that was close. Dave just launched that. Missed my wiener.
Well, actually, it dusted it.
Thanks. Anyway, so yeah, 2:30 to 4 o'clock. Let me show you how much we got in that box. Although Dave has separated quite a bit, as you can tell. So I got attacked by ants. As always, something happens to me. All right, let's see. All right, so we're less than half a box. Almost half. Dang it. Let's add to it.
Is it looking like anything?
We're almost at half. I know.
Right now we're just taking all the low grade green boards. We didn't get that much. We got a bunch though. That was our. We can sort through the keep the go home box.
All right. All right, it's 5 o'clock, guys.
All right, now we're out of here. We'll go home. We'll show you the stuff that I thought was cool, and then, I mean, you've already seen it, but
Yeah, why not though?
we'll show you again. Honestly, thank you, E-Waste Ben. I probably wouldn't have been able to make a bunch of money off of this if I didn't see your YouTube channel. So if you guys want to learn about it, watch. He'll teach you everything you need to know.
I'll leave a link to his channel down below, so scroll down and check it out.
Well, I think the title of this one was Thank You E-Waste Ben.
Yeah, I know, but you know, people want something to click on.
Alright, see everybody later.
Alright guys, so hope you're ready for this. Dave's gonna show you what he's keeping for like eBay or whatnot. Well, he'll break it down for you, and some of the cool things we took, some of the things I'm gonna take for steampunk cards, stuff like that. So yeah, here we go.
I don't know, if I had to guess on the floor here, 10 cards should equal about 200 bucks. So there's about 30 to 40 cards.
So this is the stuff you want to sell on eBay, or?
Yeah, this is all online crap.
Okay.
Stuff. But it all has better chips in it too.
That's all gold?
Nah, well, gold plated. There's gold bonding wires in there though.
Hey.
Well, there was a lot of the odder cards. I mean, I'm sure some of the ones that are in that box would sell just as well. But
well, maybe when, you know, you might find some better ones now that you don't have to dig through like dirt and stuff.
Well,
but yeah,
I don't think I'm going to do anything with those. I might give them for that.
well, this was our little things we think are neat box. This interesting keyboard there. This keyboard that's still in plastic, but who knows.
For a laptop.
Oh yeah, you're right. And this little cool thing. That's great for like some kind of a steampunky, futuristic thing. Oh, that made it in there somehow. These Ahiba 1000. And more readouts like this. So Dave doesn't think, I mean, I don't think so either, but I wonder if we could make these lights, the numbers light up again. I don't know, someone let me know if that's a difficult task or not, or if it's completely impossible. Another button thing. So yeah.
Did you see how cool that one is? You focus in on that? You can even see the little wires.
Yeah, that is cool. That's all gold plated?
Yeah, well, I mean,
Connectors.
There's tiny pieces of gold in there. Better light instead of the...
Oh yeah, that's true. Focus, there we go. Very nice.
I don't know. I guess that's a wrap. Let's see, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of those cards. Let's see. We shall see.
I know you probably don't want to, but let me see those hands, man. You guys gotta see how
No, they're not that bad anymore.
Oh, you just washed the dishes and stuff, but yeah.
They're not bad. No cuts.
You don't think so? There's no blood, but they're tore up, as you kids would say. Focus. Alright, Dave.
Alright. Peace.
Later, guys. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this adventure with Dave again. There's going to be plenty more coming, so stick around. It's one of my many view lists, and honestly, I think Dave's going to get his own channel soon because a lot of people like what he does, and I think he should take the camera into his own hand and, you know, give you more of his own point of view, his wisdom, and all that good stuff. So yeah, even though he does also sell at the flea market and he also does a lot of different things, but that's why he really needs to have his own channel. So if you guys think Dave should have his own channel, definitely leave a comment down below. Let me know so that it'll encourage him, and I'll help him out. You know, I'll get the channel going, I'll film him and stuff for him, but I really think that, you know, he needs to branch out because he does a lot of amazing stuff and I'm not always there to, you know, record it or whatever. So I only work with him sometimes, you know, so But yeah, so anyway, give this video a like if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, and definitely leave a comment down below about Dave's channel and stuff like that, so that I can show him the comments and encourage him, you know? So anyway, thank you for watching. Later, guys. Peace.